I'm what I call tall shorts. I am literally 6'1". Okay, let me show y'all what we got. Let me get everything. Oh boy, am I excited to show you guys. I have no idea what I am doing. I don't know what I did with the deep fryer. Okay, we're gonna be using the pan. I don't know what I did with the deep fryer. It was in there once. It is no longer. We're not gonna have a grease fire. Okay, here's what I got. I got us buttermilk, vegetable oil, yellow cornmeal mix, all-purpose flour. Got the hot dog, bro. This is my secret ingredient. Don't worry about it. Don't ask questions. The whole key to tonight. I've been saving this. I bought this stuff forever ago, dude. Long has the day been awaited. Now is the time, boys. They said you'll never hit 300 followers. They said you'll never do it. You only stream on weekends. You're never gonna do it. You're never gonna hit it. You're never gonna hit 300 followers. Well, boys, we showed them. We showed them. You can do anything you set your mind to. All that matters is, are you willing to put the work in, bro? Are you willing to put the work in, boys? Remember this day. Remember this day. No matter what happens for the rest of our lives, remember this day. This is our day. This is your day. We did this together. This is about our community that we built. This is celebrating you guys and what we've done. And I couldn't be any more proud of you. Anybody tells you you can't do it, you look them in the eye and you say, watch me. Watch me. All right, I'm gonna go turn the music down. I forgot to buy a stick, okay? $5 at Walmart, boys. Hot dogs are cooked already. Technically, you can eat wait, what? Is that, babe, is that true? We need to go ahead and mix the batter before I start telling stories for 80 hours. Streamer, why are you doing a different thing than I want? Why you do it different? Oh, it won't open. Hang on. The Gfuel is gonna go in the buttermilk, and then I will begin the mixing. This is low-fat buttermilk. Do you think it's gonna make it taste bad? You guys deserve this. You guys deserve to see this up close. Are you ready? Oh my god, that was way more than I meant to pour. Yo, this is actually so much fun. I got more buttermilk, don't worry. It'll balance out. It'll balance out. We'll fix it in post. We'll fix it in post. Right, dude. I don't have the freaking brain capacity to remember what I did yesterday, dude. I'm one man. I'm but one man. Oh, I just spilled Gfuel everywhere. Okay. We have mixed the Gfuel with the buttermilk. Do I put the eggs in the buttermilk? It's all mixed. This is rather... I'm gonna be real with you guys. This does not smell good. This does not smell good. It was $1 at Walmart for all this cornmeal, and it makes me wonder, what the frick are we doing? This just became precarious. What the grease doing? The grease is waiting to, it's heating up. I didn't want to pour it in when the pan was freaking hot as frick. Yeah. That's nowhere near enough oil. I didn't want to start with the corn dog sauce. I didn't want to start with a ton of it because everybody keeps being like, you're going to burn your house down. You're going to ruin everything. So I said, let me start small. This is what I have. We're going to make it work. We'll do it live. First hot dog. It goes into the mix. Out of the mix. Into the cornmeal and flour combo. I roll it. I can't breathe all of a sudden. Alright, first one going in. Oh, Jesus. This is the setup. There's the first one. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. You could be watching a streamer right now that just gambles. All they do is just gamble. They just gamble. But look at this. Right? This is peak streamer performance, right? Okay, here we go. And slowly. I believe in Jesus. Do a flip. Imagine us being here for history in the making, but in a couple years when Pan has millions of subs and someone brings this moment up, only 10 of us are going to know what it is. Yo, I don't ever know if we're going to be that big. But you will be able to look back on this day. That's for sure. Why no stick? I didn't think that far, okay? I just literally realized that I don't have sticks. I don't have sticks. I forgot to buy a stick, okay? I love you. I'm just playing. Look at this. Look at the beauty. Look at this. Look at this, bro. It's all been worth it, boys. It's all been worth it. She's beautiful. Oh my. Oh, that's sweet. No, that's not good. It tastes like something that shouldn't exist. Bro, bone apple tea. Alright, so actual thoughts. When I say there is so much G Fuel in this, I mean there is more G Fuel than should be humanly consumed. If I were to eat one of these, I would probably have to go to the hospital. This is I put too much in there. I feel like I should not be tasting this. This feels like something forbidden. This feels like something that should not exist. I believe in Jesus. I've crossed the line. Like I've gone too far. Like there's no going back. Wait, where'd that light bulb go? Oh my God, guys, we've come so far. We've come so far. We have braved many a season in this short year that I've been streaming. We've made many videos, many that some of you have even been in. Clips, all that. It's been a good time. Many of you have also been in the streams. This has been awesome. I'm so thankful for this community. I hope you enjoyed everything tonight. Y'all said I was gonna light the house on fire. Y'all said I was gonna light the house on fire. I didn't do none of that.
This was a pog. This was a pog stream. This is a very pog stream. This was pog. I said it was a 10 out of 10 stream. 10 out of 10 stream, 8 out of 10 food, especially with the secret sauce. Who's live? Who's live that I know? Is anyone live that I know that we haven't rated in a while yet? Is anyone like retro? All right, take your emotes, take your kindness. I think he's playing the new Monster Hunter. Sounds pretty great. I will see you guys tomorrow. I will be in the Discord. I love you guys. Have yourselves a dang good one. Tell somebody you love. I believe in Jesus.